Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your country or your region on Temu app. So this is an app that you use for your shoppings. Mostly you get free shipping here, so I think that's the reason why a lot of people love this app. So I'm going to show you how you can change your country. So I now hop on my profile here and I tap on the setting button here. Good. So you can see country and region. So my country right now is the US, so I'll need to change it. Let me search this country. Good. Now let me change it to Nigeria. Good. So a restart. And then I'll have to sign in with my Gmail and I'm good to go. Something like that. So I don't really want to change it to that country, the Nigerian I choose, so I'm going to change it back to the US, but then I'm doing this because of a tutorial purposes. So that's it. They automatically sign me in and you can see this is Temu Nigeria. So now I can start doing everything. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.